Alright guys, so today we've got another SQL question, this time big countries. So we're provided with a table called world with the following columns. So you have name, continent, area, population and GDP. Name is the primary key, so that's what we'll be fetching things based on. It has to be unique basically. So now we'll just go down and what they want us to do, first they'll just tell us that a country is big if, so we'll have a look over here that if a country has greater than 3 million people, then it's considered big, or, and this is the key word here, or a population has at least 25 million people in it, then it's also considered big. So an area of at least 3 million or population of over 25 million. The example, if we scroll down, we've got an example here with a world table. We can look through all of the relevant values, and the output that we'd be expecting in this example would be Afghanistan and Algeria. And just from the looks of it, it looks like we're returning Afghanistan due to its population, because the area isn't over 3 million, but we can see this is just over 25 million. And likewise, I think it's also the case here for Algeria as well, where the population is greater than 25 million. Yeah, and the area is not over 3 million. So cool. So what do we want to return? So return results in any order, and we want to find the name, population and area. So with SQL, we start with the select keyword, and then the columns that we want to return. So name, population and area. So those are the three columns that we want. And then we use the keyword from here. So from would denote which kind of table we want to pull information from. So in this instance, it would be world. So if we want to filter data from a table, we'd use something like the where clause, which is like a condition, so like an if, for example. And here, first we want to check the first criteria that we're given, which is the area. The area is at least 3 million, right? So basically it means it's greater than or equal to 3 million, which is fine. So that makes perfect sense. And then we've got an or option here, right? And it says that if the population is at least 25 million. So again, the population has to be greater than or equal to, at least, in this case, 25 million, which we've put here. So if we go ahead and run this, you can see it's been accepted and it's passed that test case, because if we look at this table, we can go through all of the relevant options. We can see nothing really here meets the 3 million mark in terms of area, but we can see we have Afghanistan here, which has a greater population, 25 million, and also Algeria, which has greater than 25 million as well. And so the output is this, and that was the expected output as well. So we'll go ahead and submit that, and hopefully it is accepted. So let's judge, and it is accepted. Yeah, excellent. And obviously there's their runtime as well, beats 14.23%. So yeah, we'll come back and we'll do another one tomorrow.